Alright, so in this video I'm going to show you some of the meta information related to Emacs, and those of you looking for something specific about this tool, that means Emacs, you might be interested in it. Okay, I pluck out something from the Emacs help, and specifically enlist those, uh, so you can have a look at it. Okay, to give you some sort of sense what I have just spitted to you, let me go to my Emacs client, which is running on terminal. As usual, I have enlisted few, as I mentioned. I plucked out things from the Emacs help, so it will be easier for you. Okay, to I just open up a same buffer on the right hand side by pressing Ctrl X3. Somehow my screen key probably not working. So the first one is Ctrl H. All the command is prefixed with Ctrl H. That means it is coming out of the Emacs help. No secret about it. Okay. So Ctrl H, Ctrl A to know about Emacs. I'm on the right hand side buffer. If I do Ctrl H and Ctrl A, see, it will show you this information about Emacs. You see my cursor is hovering on the right hand side buffer. It show you how the stuff is built in my system and what are all this stuff. These links are there. You have to press Ctrl H, Ctrl A to get this rudimentary information about Emacs. Okay. Likewise, the next one is Ctrl H and Ctrl C to know about Emacs copyright. Emacs comes with a copyright stuff, so Ctrl H and Ctrl C. See, this is the GNU general public license version 3. Okay, and this is the copyright information. If you are inclined to, you can read through within Emacs, so you don't have to go out in the internet and find it out. So all you have to do, Ctrl H and Ctrl C. Okay, the second command on the left hand side buffer. So the third one is Ctrl H and Ctrl D to know about the Emacs debugging. So if I do Ctrl H and Ctrl D, see, it enlists you how you could go about debugging related Emacs. If you are finding some problem, and if you want to debug about Emacs related stuff, that some of the problem might be, these are the guidelines basically in one word. Okay, so how to get yourself accustomed before jumping into debugging. So all you have to do, Ctrl H and Ctrl D to get this enlisting where my cursor is hovering. So read through it, so it will be easier for you to debug or shoot problem related to Emacs. Okay, the next one is Ctrl H, Ctrl F to know about Emacs Fact. Emacs has got a fact, a frequently asked question. Fact stands for that. Ctrl H and Ctrl F. If I do, see, this is the fact of Emacs. So if you have any particular question, or the question might have answered before, so they have enlisted something. So here are a few sections. So go to that specific section as per your requirement, so you can read the question related to that. Okay, it might come in handy because whatever you probably looking for or seeking might have answered already, because somebody else probably have asked that kind of stuff. They have enlisted few frequently asked questions related to GNU Emacs, and they have enlisted it for you to inspect it inside Emacs without going into the internet. The next one is Ctrl H, Ctrl N to know about the news about the Emacs. Ctrl H and Ctrl N. It will show you the Emacs news. If you are interested to know about the latest proceeding about in Emacs, you could use this Control H and Control N to show the news about Emacs. Okay, so the next one is Control H, Control P to know about Emacs problem. They are generous enough. Control H and Control P. So here is the potential problem they are having at this moment with Emacs. It's public, so you can pick it up on this kind of stuff if you are inclined to, but it is there, or the problem has been exhibited previously, so it has been enlisted here. So you can take a pick if you want to. Okay, so the next one is Control H, Control T to know about Emacs to do. They have a bucket list, Control H, Control T. So this is the Emacs core maintainers to do, what they are working, how it is being dished out. So these things you will be finding in Emacs to-do list. So, and it is public again, that's why it's been given here. So you can take a peek on this. So if you are interested or have inclination on specific matter, you could reach out to them with your understanding and solution and all this stuff. Okay, so these are the to-dos they probably working on. I'm sure they are working on, not probably. Okay, that's why they have given it here. The last one is it comes with no warranty. So Control H, Control W. So disclaimer of warranty, as the first line says, there is no warranty for the program. So basically it's a free software. You have to take the responsibility if you installed it to maintain it yourself, or if you find an enhancement, you need to give back the stuff to the people who are maintaining it, so they evaluate it and then induct it if they find it good enough. Okay, and it happened with most of the free software. So it's not just about verified things. If you adapt something, you are supposed to take responsibility of look after it, as simple as it, period. Okay, so uh, so these are the basic meta information. If you use Emacs and wanted to know the little piece which might come in handy time to time, these are not pure sense technical, but these are the information you should be well appraised of. So it might help you to get into a discussion with the people who might have dealt with it. So if any situation occur, so it will be easy for seamless discussion. So if two people know about the stuff, what is going on, what is required, so the time will be consumed less and will be put in a more productive manner, right? So the purpose of this video just to make you aware that these things are there. You might give it a glance when you have little free time. As you see, and I have mentioned very beginning, all the commands start with Control H, and I plucked it out of the Emacs help. So you do not have to go out in the internet and find it out all this stuff. These are all there in the Emacs help section. There are other, but I think these are the not too practical, too not so practical. What am I saying? Too technical. Okay, but these are the meta kind of information to know about the ecosystem. If you want to really embrace something, you are supposed to know about the ecosystem. That's a more correct word of saying. So this help section, what I have enlisted on the left hand side, is the kind of knowing the ecosystem. Okay, plus the time you invest on it. Nothing can be achieved without investing dedicated time on it. Forget about the damn software, anything in life. So I hope it will be useful for some people. Thanks for watching.